Welcome to AI Blocks. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own images of Wagmi-san. To begin, connect your wallet. We do support Warm Wallet and strongly advise you use this to keep your NFTs safe. And this is a token-gated model, which means you will need to own a 10 KTF NFT to be able to access it. So once you've connected your wallet, you're going to need to get some credits. Top left, click on Get Credits and type in a number up to 100 and click Buy. Don't worry, it's not actually going to charge you anything. So with credits and logged in, you're now able to generate. If you've never used an AI platform before, we put some example images on the front page that you can click to give you inspiration on how to create an image. Clicking on that image will put the prompt that generated that same image to allow you to modify it to get something else. So instead of working as workshop, let's say playing basketball on a basketball court. You'll see the word ktfwagmisan has been used to tell the AI model that we want to generate a picture of Wagmi-san. Each character has their own specific term that has been trained to generate that character. Inside the advanced options, there's a number of settings. We can see the face isn't perfect here, so we're going to enable Restore Faces. We're also going to put a -1 seed. This will effectively allow us to generate a new image with the same settings every time we click the Generate button. A great way to find a style or a look or a specific seed that you may want to use. It's also a lot of fun to just keep clicking Generate. Once we find an image that we like, to find the settings that we use to create that image, we can access that in our creations. Click in the top right to see everything that you've created so far. Find the image that you like, click on it, and you'll see all of the details that created that image. Clicking on the Copy Prompt Details page will put those same settings back into the prompt and allow you to regenerate that same image. This is ideal, so when you want to make a comic or a story page, you can follow the same look and feel throughout. Again, changing a -1 seed will give you a different image every time you click Generate. So, there's another way to use the platform. Of course, once you know your keywords, another one, for example, we'll stick to Wagmi-san. Clicking on the Enhance button will give you some options. These have prompts already structured so that when you select them, it will automatically create a prompt that will give you a pretty cool image. You can use this again as inspiration and feel free to add or amend or change anything that you see here. We also have the ability to create a number of images, 4 or 16. For the sake of brevity, I'll keep it on 4 for now. But again, clicking the Generate button will create 4 images now. It will take 4 times as long, but will give you a little more variation to play with. And finally, once you've found and generated the images that you want to tell a story with, we've created a comic book page export feature. To do this, simply scroll through and find the images that you like. For instance, Wagmi-san asleep in bed. Let's see, I think I've created a few of these earlier we can select from. You'll notice I'm selecting a wider image. This is not square. I've intentionally chosen an image that is specifically wide because the comic book page is made of 5 panels. The initial panel is quite wide. So I would suggest you create an image that is wider than it is high for the first panel, and for the remaining 4 panels you can use square images. There we go. Wagmi-san's feeling sporty. Now we've created selected the 5 images, we can click Generate Comic. This will allow us to get the size itself, effectively have a look through here. As you resize the page window, you will be able to see the images dynamically adjust to a size that you would like. Once you're happy with that, click the Generate Comic button. This will create the comic and save it to your creations. You can find that if you click again in the top right and you'll see everything you've created, including your comic book page. So that's a quick intro into how to use AI blocks to generate Wagmi-san characters. If you have any questions, send us a message on Twitter and we'll love to get back to you. Thanks so much.